Welcome back to Zapit. In this tutorial, we will guide you through providing liquidity for your token on Cauldron Quest. By providing liquidity, you will help to maintain a healthy market for ZRP and other tokens, while earning a 0.3% commission fee on every transaction within the pool. To create a liquidity pool, head over to app.cauldron.quest in your browser. Click on Pools, select Wallet Connect, and choose Zapit Wallet. In the Zapit Wallet app, approve the connection request by sliding the arrow here. Once your wallet is connected, return to the browser and click the Add a New Position button to create a liquidity pool. In the token list, select ZRP. You'll see an option to set the pool price for ZRP based on the current market price of BCH, or setting a custom one, since we're contributing an equal amount of each. We'll select the current market price option for this tutorial. Scroll down and enter the amount of ZRP you want to contribute to the pool. Click the Add Liquidity button. Then, choose your Zapit wallet again and carefully review the transaction details. Slide to confirm the transaction within your Zapit wallet app. Head back to the browser window. You should now see your ZRP liquidity position successfully created. Now that you've created a liquidity pool, let's go over how to withdraw your contribution. Make sure your wallet is connected with Cauldron Quest. Click on the Withdraw button associated with your ZRP liquidity pool. Now you'll be directed back to your Zapit wallet app to review and confirm the transaction details. Carefully review the amount of BCH and ZRP you are withdrawing. Once you confirm the transaction in your Zapit wallet, head to the Assets section on the app and refresh to see the updated balance. Your ZRP and BCH balance will reflect the withdrawal, indicating your liquidity pool contribution has been retrieved. Check out the video on the screen to learn how to get more ZRP tokens. For more such information by Zapit, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social handles linked below in the description.